Hi, thank you for joining me. Please make sure that you have out this Indiana Success Math book. This was in your new bag of work. And we're on page 10 today. We're going to do page 10 together, and then I'll have you do a page by yourself in a little bit. So let's look at this. We've done these problems before. Our goal today is where we do multi-step story problems or multi-step word problems where you have to do more than one equation to solve it, or more than one thought process to solve it. So let's look at number 5 here. Alex finds 5 berries. Alice finds 5 berries. They take the berries home. They eat 3 berries. How many berries are there now? Well, in these types of problems, you have to kind of break it into 2 parts. So we're going to ignore the bottom part of the problem to start with. And we just have Alex finds 4 berries, Alice finds 5 berries, and they take them home. Well, let's see how many berries they have altogether. Well, if we want to do that, would we add or subtract? We would add, wouldn't we? So we have 4 berries plus 5 berries equals the sum or the total number of berries. So figure out what 4 plus 5 is. We have lots of strategies we could use. I know that 4 plus 4 is 8, so 4 plus 5 is 9. I could do that. Or I could count on and put the 5 in my fist and count on 4. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, they put 9 there to trick us, but we're not done yet because they have 9, but they eat 3 of the berries. So I'm going to take that 9 and I'm going to put it here to start this equation. And if they eat 3 berries, are we adding 3 or are we subtracting 3? They're gone, right? So we're taking away 3, subtracting 3. So 9 minus 3 equals something. So you can use one of your strategies. I think I'll count back 3 and go 9, 8, 7, 6. And that's how many berries there are now. 6. So I would color that in. Do you believe me? No? I'll prove it. Look, there's 4 berries. 1, 2, 3, 4. Those are Alex's. And then Alice had 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Altogether, they have 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then they eat 3 of them. Yum, yum, yum. 1, 2, 3. So how many are left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, number 6, something to do with birds. There are 10 birds in a tree. 2 birds are blue, the rest are yellow. 1 yellow bird flies away. How many yellow birds are in the tree now? Okay, I kind of have to break it into parts again. I know there are 10 birds in the tree and 2 of them are blue, but I don't know how many yellow birds there are, so I need to figure that out. So I know that 10 is my total. And if I want to know how many yellow birds there are, I'm going to have to take away the blue birds. So I'm going to take away the 2 blue birds, and that will tell me how many yellow birds there are. So what's 10 minus 2? It would be 8. We could go 10, 9, 8. 8's not my answer though. I have 8 yellow birds. Well, guess what? 1 yellow bird flies away. So I have 8 yellow birds and 1 flies away. So we're going to add 1 or take away 1? We'll take away 1 because it flew away. How many birds are there now? Well, 8 minus 1 equals 7. So I'm going to color in that for 7. Number 7. Maddie has 5 big cars. She had 7 small cars. Maddie gave 3 small cars to her brother. How many cars does Maddie have now? Well, we're going to be doing 2 steps again, aren't we? So first of all, we need to figure out how many cars Maddie has before she gives any away. She has 5 big cars, okay, and 7 small cars. So if I want to find out how many that is altogether, I'm going to add those, aren't I? So I'm going to do 5 plus 7 equals something. Well, what's 5 plus 7? Let's count on. Let's put 7 in our fist and count on 5. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. In this problem, it really didn't end up mattering whether they're small or big because she had 12 altogether and she ends up giving 3 of them away. So she has 12. If she gives 3 away, are we going to add or subtract 3? We're going to subtract 3. And that 12, look, we got that from right there, didn't we? So what's 12 minus 3? Let's count back. 12, 11, 10, 9. So how many does she have now? 9. Do you believe me? Let's prove it. So she has 5 big cars, and we can go ahead and do the sizes for the cars. I'm going to do 5 big circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 7 small cars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So that was 12 altogether. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And she gave 3 small cars to her brother. So we're going to cross out 3. Really didn't end up mattering that they were small. How many does she have now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 what? 9 cars. Here's the last one we're going to do together. Kendra has 4 brown rocks and 10 gray rocks. She gives 4 rocks to Amy. How many rocks does Kendra have? Well, first of all, let's see how many she has to start with. She has 4 brown and 10 gray. What are we going to do to those 2 numbers to see how many she has? We're going to add. 4 plus 10 equals something. Oh, it's a 10. I can use my secret code card strategy. I know when I add a number to 10, I can just put the number over the 0. So 4 plus 10 is 14. That's how many rocks she has. Now she gives 4 to Amy. Well, she has 14 now. She gives 4 to Amy. Are we going to add 4 or take away 4? We're going to take away 4, aren't we? Well, look, these are related facts. 4 plus 10 equals 14. So 14 minus 10 would equal, or 4, I gave the answer, didn't I? 14 minus 4 would equal 10 because 10 plus 4 is 14. So my answer ends up being 10. So thank you for joining me. We're going to actually skip this page. And you're going to be doing page 12 by yourself. Of course, it's always okay to have an adult help you and to help you with the reading on that. Thank you.